Hi there. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Ask MediSave Anything.
Did you know that you can keep your doctor's information and track appointments through MediSafe? This week, we're going to show you how to add your doctors and appointments into the app. As a reminder, MediSafe does not provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding your medications or medical condition.
I'd like to keep my doctor's information easily accessible on my phone. How can I add them into MediSafe?
You can add doctors into MediSafe by tapping More on the bottom menu, tap on Doctors, then tap the plus icon and add your doctor's information, such as email, phone number, etc. You can also connect doctors with certain medications. After adding your doctor, tap on their profile, then tap Medications and select the meds this doctor has.
That's exactly what I needed. Now, how do the appointments work?
The process to add an appointment is similar to adding a doctor. Tap More, then Appointments, then the plus icon to add the information. You can also select which doctor you're seeing if their profile has already been added. With our new update, your appointments will now actually show on your homepage calendar with your medication doses. And you can then set the reminder for an appointment and even sync to your calendar app if you'd like.
Thanks for all this information. There are so many functions to explore with MediSafe. As always, if you have any ideas for a future video, we'd love to hear from you.
And please contact us anytime at support@medisafe.com with any questions or suggestions. We hope to hear from you soon.
Bye.